Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Selfridges Selection chocolate chip shortbread. So let's go ahead and take a look at the tin. So in this tin is 200 grams of Selfridges Selection chocolate chip shortbread. I'm just taking a look at the details of the tin and its design. And rotating the tin around so you can see the design throughout its cylindrical shape, and it is made out of metal. And taking a look at the underside of the base of the tin, there is some product information as well as an ingredients list and nutritional information. And to give you some sense of the size of the tin, just resting it in my palm and gripping or cupping it as well. And now let's go ahead and open it up by popping the lid off and taking a look directly inside of it. And just setting the tin to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop, at least the lid on the left hand side, and lifting the packet of chocolate chip shortbread out from the tin itself and giving you a look at its contents. And I'm just going to close the tin back up, but not before first checking out the details of the inside of the tin, and then we can replace the lid back on it. And now just setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop as we continue to take a look at this packet of Selfridges Selection chocolate chip shortbread with a 200 grams of weight. Now let's go ahead and open it up by tearing open the clear plastic packaging, and I'm just going to slide the tray out to give you a look at least the end piece, which is kind of broken into pieces and just barely staying together. Let's instead lift out an intact piece somewhere slightly further behind so we can have a proper look without it falling apart in my hands. So just setting the packet very carefully back down so that we can take a better look at this piece of chocolate chip shortbread. So giving you a look at this piece of chocolate chip shortbread, which kind of resembles the shape of a cookie. So it is a shortbread round or round shortbread studded with chocolate chips. As you can see, that contrasts with that pale yellow or creamy white colouring of the shortbread against the dark chocolate chip pieces. And right there, giving you a look at the side profile and just rotating it around so you can see the details as they are, and of course the underside as well, to give you a sense of its texture and shape, and of course to give you a sense of its size, resting it in my palm right there. So there are 10 pieces altogether. So on average 20 grams per piece, making it 200 grams total net weight for this Selfridges selection chocolate chip shortbread. Now let's go ahead and break it in half so we can see the cross section perhaps. And right there giving you a look into the cross section and inside details of this piece of Selfridges selection chocolate chip shortbread. So you can see overall what it looks like on the inner sides of the shortbread round with pieces of chocolate chips. Okay, now let's go ahead and taste the piece on the right. So that piece right there that I've just had is quite sugary in taste and crumbly as well. And there is just that very faint taste of the chocolate chips, which kind of blend it in with the shortbread itself. So no distinct texture difference between the shortbread and the pieces of chocolate chips themselves. And now let's go ahead and finish this half of the shortbread round. So once again, very soft and crumbly with that faint chocolate chip taste against the shortbread buttery flavor. And you can see the remaining 9 pieces of shortbread cookies or rounds in the tray. So that's the Selfridges selection chocolate chip shortbread. Thanks for watching and happy eating!